Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok videos from your profile. Very easy, very simple guys. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner and you want to go on your profile. Let's take a look at videos that we want to delete. Let's click on this one. Let's say I want to delete this video, right? How I'm going to go about it? Well, I can click on the three dots right here that is under the comment section. And then I am going to have three menus. 1, 2, 3, right? So the menu that we're going to be focusing is the third one. You want to scroll all the way to the end over here and you will have an option that is called delete. This is how you actually going to delete the videos. I don't know why TikTok hide this particular feature so far. Probably they didn't want people to have the easy shortcut to delete their videos and remove content from the platform. But essentially guys, this is how you delete your videos manually. Unfortunately, there isn't a way in which you can multi-delete so far. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner and hit the profile icon. Then when you're at your profile, I want you to hit the three straight lines on the top right. Then click on settings and privacy. When you're over here, I want you to scroll down and I want you to click on activity center over here. When you're at activity center, the first option of course is to see watch history. Boom. When you click on watch history, you're simply gonna find all the videos that you have watched or videos that appear on your feed. You know, every time when you launch the app, like I did a couple of seconds ago, there is a video playing. So for example, the first 3, 4, 5, 6 videos, I didn't watch them. They just were automatically launched when launched the app. Let me show you how to actually delete all of these guys. Go on the top right corner, click select, then go on the lower left corner and select all watch history, then click delete. Boom. This is how you delete your watch history. And essentially you could find any video you was looking for simply by scrolling to the history on the videos. Then on the top right corner, I want you to click on the three straight lines. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. The secret of success, it's right around the corner guys. Click on privacy. Then as you can see, we have an option over here that is called private account. If this was on, like for example now my account is private, right? So if you go over here, boom, on the top of my channel it says private account. Now let's make this account not private. Go back to the same option, click on privacy and then click back. This is what is going to change. Anyone can see my content, anyone can view, comment on my public post, anyone can download my videos, anyone can duet my videos, and anyone could stitch their comment to my videos as well. You want to scroll through your feed. Let's say we want to download this video, right? You want to click on the arrow over here under the comment section. You get three menus popping out. You see 1, 2, 3. You want to click on the second one over here and you want to click on the blue icon, copy link. Okay, and I want you to head on Google Chrome and I want you to look for this app over here. It's called Snaptik. Snaptik will offer you downloading videos for free without watermark. You want to click on Snaptik, you want to hit this search box, right? And I want you to paste the link that we just copied. Then I want to hit paste, then you click download. As you can see, the app processed very fast the actual video, and you have two options over here to download in different qualities. I just want to give you a quick heads up. Be very careful where you're clicking, okay? Make sure that you click on the right button over here. But this is how you download for free videos from TikTok without watermark.
Let's say I'm going to go on GitHub, okay? And I'm going to search up Maze C++. Let's just search that up. And I'm going to write Maze C++. And once you write that, look at this. You can start getting maze generators. Let's say we have this maze generator and this person created it in C++, right? We're going to go in this. So it's a recursive backtracker maze generator. And this person has, explained it. So this is the maze generator. You're going to write that, and look at that. It's going to generate a whole maze that you can work in. You can walk through it. You get the dependency, you get the compiling. It gives you the whole code over here as well with the files. So, you can actually get the whole code by copying it and installing it. You can go to the actual file to get the code for yourself as well. And that is what GitHub mainly is for. So upload code, get code, and just talk with other people regarding coding. And that is basically about it. So that's GitHub. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Trello tutorial, how to use Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can use Trello for yourself in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to do this, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to come to Trello.com, create an account. Now, to use Trello, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Create, and you can actually create a board. So you're going to click on Create a Board, and once you click on Create a Board, you're going to enter any board title for yourself and get that board up and running. Now, once you get that board up and running, so let's say I've created this board for myself, right? I'm going to go straight into this board. It's going to look somewhat like this, okay? Now, how do you add things in this? So to add components, first of all, you're going to click on list, and look at that. You can add lists for yourself. So, it's pretty easy to add lists. Then in the lists, you can add cards and just keep on adding more cards. And to edit those cards, you're going to click on them, and you can change their descriptions. You can change their activity statuses, and you can change every other aspect of it, like members, labels, checklist, dates, attachment, cover, custom fields, dependency, estimation, and all these things. Pretty straightforward and pretty easy stuff to get your head around. And that is how you're going to use Trello. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. MailChimp tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about MailChimp and how you can use this absolutely incredible software, okay? So to start off with MailChimp, what you are going to want to be doing is obviously you're going to, sign up with an account. Now, what is MailChimp used for? MailChimp, in my opinion, is best for any type of email marketing that you want to, do for yourself. It's great for any type of, sales CRM. It's great for lead generation. It's good for your sales. It's good for getting your company up and running. And the best part about this is that it actually has a free platform to sign in with. So you can sign up with it pretty easily. Okay, just go into sign up for free. Now, once you go into sign up for free, it takes you into the actual sign up gig where, add your very own business email that you want to sign up with MailChimp. Let's say I'm going to add that. Then you have, your username, and then you can add your very own password as well. Okay. After adding your password, you're going to verify everything. And once you verify everything, from there, it's going to take you into the actual, you could say, work ethic and work section of MailChimp. And that's basically how you're going to get started with it. Now, when it comes to using MailChimp, you are going to want to make sure to get a hold of a lot of, you could say, generative assistance. You can convert with email automations, create faster with generative AI, refine with segmentation, optimize with analytical things and support. You can get started easily with a personalized product tour. Okay, they give you a proper product tour, and you can see you can create actual custom journeys with automations. You can discover new ways to automate for yourself, keep your emails relevant and brand growing. And the thing is that the campaigning gives you a lot of great templates to work with, which is also pretty incredible. And you can add as many leads as you want, get as many contacts, as many customers, and as many users you want in this. Okay, and that gives you a really good general idea of how you're going to work with this. That's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye. Miro tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you Miro and how you can use this absolutely incredible software for yourself, okay? So Miro is basically, as it says, a visual workspace for innovation. So Miro allows you to create these different charts. It allows you to create these different types of boards, okay? And in those boards, you can use different elements like shapes, sticky notes, and all these other things to create a good workspace. And you can also use different boards like Kanban boards and all. And the best part about this is that you can make a whole funnel, a sales flow, and like a whole lot of other things to work with. So I would definitely urge users out there to use this software because it's absolutely incredible to get a good idea of this. and it has a lot of integrations to work with as well. So definitely go ahead with this. And I'm also going to discuss the pricings. Now, Miro also gives you things like product management, engineering. It's for IT teams, UX and design, consultation and agencies. And there's a lot of great technical diagramming, whiteboarding, wireframing, mind mapping, retrospectives, scale product planning, and process mapping. So there's a lot of great things to take from Miro. And definitely, all of you users out there should use this for yourself. It's the amazing and the most greatest thing to get for yourself. Then you have 4 plans for this as well. You have free, starter, business, enterprise. Okay, so the free plan is $0, starter plan is $8, business plan is $16, and enterprise plan is obviously the basic typical enterprise plan. Okay, and yeah, that's the general idea that you need to get when you're working with something like this. And that is basically your Miro. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Slack tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Slack and how you can use this absolutely amazing application for yourself to, do your actual workspace editing in, to manage your products, manage your tasks, and keep your team up and running. So this is Slack basically, okay? So in Slack, you're going to make a workspace. So as you can see, I'm in this workspace right now. Now in this workspace, we have channels. Okay, you create channels for yourself, and you can create more channels by clicking on create a channel and, add any type of channel you want to. And if you want any assistance, you can do that as well. But as you can see, I have all these channels. So links, team chat, you have work and all these things. So let's say in team chat, I want to, I'm going to write something like, hi guys. And then you can actually, do an at and, message everyone. So it's pretty easy. It's pretty simple. And it's really nice to get a basic idea of how you're going to work with Slack. So just create channels, and in those channels, you're going to start working. Now, if you want to invite people to your workspace, what you are going to want to be doing is you're going to go to your workspace over here. Now, whoever has control of the workspace, what you can do is you can start adding people into a certain chat. So you're going to click on add coworkers, enter their name or email, and just send them an invite, and that should be it. So that's basically the idea of Slack. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Smartsheet tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet and how you can use this absolutely incredible software. Okay, so Smartsheet is basically a flexible solution for your work. Now, it's very similar to products like ClickUp, Monday.com, Asana, Trello. Now, the reason for that is that it's great for your work management, okay? It's a great management platform. It's great for task management, great for project management. Even if you want to, manage your personal life, it's good for that because it gives you things like automations, digital assets, resource, team collab, dashboards, portfolio, proofing, account, intelligent workflows, integration, no-code work apps, and a whole lot more. So it gives you a whole repertoire to work with. It gives you the whole, you could say working standard to get your head around, and it helps you a lot in working. So do make sure to get your head wrapped around this pretty well because it's an absolutely amazing software to use, and I would urge all you users out there to get a good grasp of this, to get a good idea of this, because like products like Smartsheet will help you tons. Okay, so that's pretty much the main idea about Smartsheet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Rike tutorial. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about Rike and how you can use this platform for yourself. It's one platform to streamline all workflows for you, a single app for all departments. You can manage projects, organize work, integrate all your favorite tools, and collaborate and drive efficiency for yourself. So Rike is your, team dashboard or team planning statement where you can actually mess around with different components of your work, okay? And you can actually use Rike in different ways. So if you've used, stuff like Monday.com, or you've used Asana, or you've used ClickUp, then Rike will also work greatly for you. And trust me, Rike works great. It has automation, it has Gantt charts, project resource planning, and it has a great visualized dashboard where you can get tasks, processors, and a lot more. So you can see that you can get your analytics in this section as well. And these are all the organizations they use Rike. So there's P&G, Sega, Lyft, Siemens, Pfizer, Ogilvy, T-Mobile. So you have a lot of features and brands using these. Then you can auto organize your intake, custom build for your teams, gain big pictures, visibility, customer success stories. You get Aerotech, Fitbit, Inspiration, all these people use it. And it has great reviews as well. So it's great to start off with it. It's great to use, and you can actually see why, right? So it has great marketing, professional services, PMO, creative design, also has a great CMS. You get task management, workflow management, and the best thing, project management, where you can plan agile products. Now, planning projects for yourself is a different way to work as well, because you are going to want to make sure that the management works incredibly and the management works normally when you're actually getting the basic concept and basic idea of this, okay? So that's pretty much about it when it comes to Rike. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.